having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Don't make assumptions. Ask for what you want. This is a great card. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 680, NASDAQ off 161, S&P's off 71, gold contract up $4.30, trading at $14.83 an ounce. You got silver up 31 cents, $12.45 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 269, $22.53 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You got the 10-year up a point and a half, trading 136.21. The 30-year up almost 3 points, 2 points and 22 ticks at 175.09. And King Dollar. King Dollar up 116 ticks, trading 102.870. The euro is at 106. The yen is out here at 111.31, and the British pound is at 115 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's go take a look at them. We got the volatility. The volatility has stayed out here today, folks. You have quad witching, and what quad witching is, folks, is that on the open this morning at 9:30, you had the options on the futures expire. At 3 o'clock this afternoon, we're going to have the futures expire, the indices expire, and the single stock futures expire. That being said, volatility in spades. Right now, the S&P has gone from the highs of a 24.99, let's call it 2,500, down to 2,300, 23.08. So you had a full 200 points. It's approximately 197 to be exact. No, let's see, 196 to be exact. Bottom line, now let's see what they're going to give us in the next 60 minutes, because what you are going to have, the volatility is going to be out here. What we did intraday out here, we just, right before I got on the air, we hit that low of 23.08. And bottom line is that that is still a higher high than we had out here yesterday. Yesterday, the lower high, rather. Yesterday, the lower high was 22.75. The prior day, what you had out here was 22.62. So, yes, you might think that, okay, I'm calling a market that, to me, still wants to go higher. My take is the bottom's in, folks, okay? In particular, what I've found so technically, that's how this setup is. Fundamentally, what I've learned, if I've learned anything over the course of the years, is that when the big government comes in with the firepower, the bottom line is that it's always too late, number one, and most of the time, most of the destruction's already been done. And when you take a look at the, state of California's closed down, state of New York's closed down. They have a 2.5-hour press conference out here. Those are all good things. Keep people acclimated as to what's going on, but the bottom line is that each and every time, I don't care whether it's hurricanes, tornadoes, whatever it is, by the time the government comes in, the worst is over, folks, okay? So my take is that, we'll see where this shakes out. Market-wise, I'm saying that the low's in. Gold contract out here. We take a look at the gold contract. What do you have out here inside the gold contract? Gold contract out here today went from a price point of $14.57 up to $15.19. Right now, we are running out at $14.84, 284,000 contracts. We've been going sideways out here inside the gold market. Bottom line this week, we got a high that was established at $15.74, couldn't hold price. That was on Monday, got all the way down to $14.50, sideways after that. The GDX, if we go take a look at the gold and silver equities, what had happened, folks, is this. The gold contract, as well as the gold equities, were the last sector to go lower. They were the first sector to come off the lows. Bottom line, that's saying that to me that they're going higher. GDX out here trading down 45 cents right now. You're at $20.82. And when you take a look at this, what you're going to see is that we got below the swing points. We rejected the swing points. We got into the breakout area, and 2 billion versus, 1.6 versus 2. So even on the monthly basis, well, actually, we're going to need, we're not there yet because we still need about another 7 trading days to get that month going, meaning the full volumes inside of the month. Some of the higher volume equities out here today, you get Bank of America off 124. We have, Microsoft's down 3. That's nothing. Microsoft was up a bunch yesterday. MGM's up $1.60. inside the Dow Industrials. Now, this is about as deviant as you get. Now, if you're a fundamentalist, this is a tough one to swallow. And what it is this, folks, okay? You have the largest downdraft inside the Dow Industrials today is 3M. 3M's putting 75 negative points. Goldman's putting 62. Disney's putting 55. The reason I say that this is as deviant as you can get, you had Trump out here yesterday as well as today with Pence saying how many masks that they've ordered off of 3M, hundreds of millions of masks. And the bottom line is that this equity has gone one way all day. $138 down to $125. It's like, I've seen this over and over again many times. It's like, and I remember when I was a fundamentalist, like, how does this work, man? You get the best news in the world out, and guess what? They're just destroying the stock. And in 3M's case, the bottom line is that that's exactly what you have. You have broken basically some heavy support. And, 3M can not only get lower, but a lot lower. So NDX 100, you've heard this over and over again from me, folks. The bottom line is that is still the strongest indice, all of the above. And when we take this and we put this back as to where it came down to, bottom line, it came down to the highs of the lows of 2018, and it looks to me, even with this little downdraft out here, if we get a close above 173.31 inside the Qs, and right now we're 173.61, that's the full rejection of lower price. That is saying that the Qs still want higher price. We go take a look at the SPY. SPY, I believe, is going to be into that bar. Right now, the SPY right now, it might do it too. We'll see. No, the SPY's into it good. The SPY's into the bottom of the bar. The bottom of the bar, hey, this is going to be interesting to see this close. So we need a close in the SPY. It's 233.76. And right now you're at 232.18. Stay right there, folks. Come right back. Dow Industrials right now are down 650. NASDAQ off 165. S&P's off 73. We'll come right back.